Lacazette's flick. It's Aubameyang! The beneficiary.
Good evening again, everyone. This is the Military Gooner. Thank you very much for tuning in to my channel. I want to say a special thanks to all those who have subscribed, tune in, and if you have not subscribed, this is now the time to do it. Do it. Anyways, now this is the day before, not the day after, the day before the disaster, which would be Manchester City versus Arsenal at the Etihad Stadium. So the day before the disaster is today, and I'm living good. I'm living happy. So after the disaster, I can say at least I had a good day before the disaster. Anyways, now a few players might come back in. Cedric Suarez, I see, have declared fit to play, and Pablo Morris is with the first team right now. Kieran Tierney is also fit to play, so those are good signs, and we can move into this match with a steady head and a bit of confidence, but confidence on our side, and knowing that we have lost a match in the EPL since the season start, but low on confidence due to the fact that Manchester City just has lost their match, and whenever Manchester City loses a match, they come back full force. And for some reason, I don't know why we have this luck, but we always face the team whenever they're at their most angriest point. But anyways, Manchester United did the job, and I am sure, quite sure, Arsenal can do it because we have a better team than Manchester United. A better team, better coach. So by assumption, we can do the job, right? Must. So I may go into my bed tonight. I may start fasting from now, and hopefully the fasting may last good enough time for God to come and bestow some strength in the Arsenal players, because we need it this time. And I'm praying that you guys would deliver. Anyways, moving to the starting lineup. Move to the goalkeeper, Burnley now. That's a no-brainer. Right back, Hector Bellerin comes in back because he got a full game's rest last match. The centre back pairing, a complicated one. But anyways, I would go with David Luiz and Pablo Mari. They played very well, and Pablo Mari really looked like a good prospect. But anyways, left back, Saka needs some rest. So I'm going with Kieran Tierney. Saka needs some rest. Even though he's just coming back from injury, I'm going with Kieran Tierney. If it's going all wrong, we can bring on Saka half time because he needs some rest. Midfield pairing, Lucas Torres is out. Unfortunately, he might be out for the rest of the season, but we hope that he might come back and enter the rest of the season. Sorry about that. Anyways, so the midfield pairing would be Dani Ceballos and Granit Xhaka. Moving to the attacking three, and I don't think this is a game in which I would want to see Ozil. No. I like Joe Willock in this position, in the centre attacking midfield position, because he presses so well and he plays at such a high tempo, and his physics is really good for a game like this. But anyways, on the right, Nicolas Pepe, about 70 minutes of the game, and Reece Nelson to finish off the other 30 minutes. No, the other 20 minutes, sorry. Anyways, so Joe Willock in the centre attacking midfield role for the purpose of press and defensive work. And to the right, no, to the left, sorry, I'll use Martinelli for the intensity. Up top, I need those defenders to have something to think about. Otamendi is not a good defender, and I need him to have something to think about. So I would definitely play Aubameyang central. Lacazette and Nketiah sit on the bench. Good firepower coming off the bench. So anyways, that would be my starting lineup. Let's review it again. Burnley, goalkeeper, right back, Hector Bellerin, centre back pairing, David Luiz and Pablo Mari, left back, Kieran Tierney. Midfield duo, Dani Ceballos, Granit Xhaka, and attacking three, Nicolas Pepe, Joe Willock, and Aubameyang and Martinelli to the left. Aubameyang up front. Now, tell me what you think. Anything you think, subscribe and share it. Out.